Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about how to start a database. Okay, so let's see what is it. So first we are going to how to create a database. Okay, in that case, first we are going to discuss about what is MySQL. So inside the database, the database usually exists in MySQL. It is the code of the MySQL. So we are just going to study about the basic terms of the database that much needed in the Python. Okay. So you would the create database statement and then one example is already available. So create a database name, my database, import MySQL and connector. Okay. So these are the few kinds of terms that are available. So here on screen, you can see I have mentioned how to use it. First, I will write all the codes here in the notepad. Fine. After that, I have given the username and the password already. Fine. So if I'm going to run this particular code, what I have to write here is inside the command prompt, I will just mention all the name of the file and then I will run this code. Okay, so let me just run this particular code. I will just write the Python and the test.py. So once let me write all database exists. Okay, so my database, that is the name of my file, is already existing. So that is what we wanted to check. So we have to create this file. So once the file is created, then you will be able to run this file. Okay, so once you run this file, then you will be able to create the database. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you so much.